大家好 Hello everybody, you are at Learn Chinese with Abdul vocabulary development section and our target is HSK level 1 vocabulary. We are at day 10. Let's quickly go to first 9 days of what we have studied up till now, just quickly.
第一天的生词，我、我们、你、你们、他、他、他们、这、那。第二天的生词，家、爸爸、妈妈、哥哥、弟弟、姐姐、妹妹、男朋友、女朋友。第三天的生词，儿子、女儿、漂亮、老公、老婆、老板、老师、认识。第四天的生词，先生、小姐、医生、医院、学生、学校、学习、同学。第五天的生词，大、小、小狗、小猫、很好、不太好、有、没有、爱。第六天的生词，开、来、去、读、看、听、说、吃饭、睡觉。第七天的生词，书、电影、电视、电脑、电话、杯子、桌子、椅子、东西。第八天的生词，商店、饭店、书店、水果店、出租车、打电话、名字、钱、衣服。第九天的生词，水、水果、苹果、米饭、菜、茶、喜欢、多、少。
Day 10. Let's start from word number 1. That is 天气。天气。天气。天气 means weather. Number 2. 热。热。热。热 means hot. Number 3. 冷。冷。冷 means cold. If we add 很 with 热 or 冷, it would be like 很热、很冷、很冷. That means very hot or very cold. Today's word number 4. 下雨。下雨。下雨。下雨 means raining. Number 5. 上午。上午。上午。上午 means morning. Number 6. 中午。中午。中午 means noon, mid of the day. Number 7. 下午。下午。下午 means evening. Now this is very interesting point. 中 means center. 上 means up. 下 means down. 上下 that means up and down. 上午 means a time of a day which is above 中午, while 中午 is noon. So the time before noon is morning. So 上午 is morning, 中午 is noon, and 下午 that means time after noon. For evening, for afternoon, for night, as a whole we use 下午. In other words, if we want to say AM, we use 上午. If we want to say PM, we say 下午. Okay, number 8. 分钟. 分钟. 分钟 means minutes. Like we say, I need 5 minutes. 我要5分钟. 我要5分钟. I need 5 minutes. So minutes is 分钟. Last word of today's vocabulary is 时候. 时候. 时候 means time. Precise time. For example, we say 你什么时候去? 你 means you. 什么时候 what time? 去 to go. You will go what time? What time you will go? So this is all from today's vocabulary lecture. Let me repeat the words which we have studied today. 天气 热 冷 下雨 上午 中午 下午 分钟 时候 时候 Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please like and share with others, and see you guys tomorrow at 11th lecture, day 11. 再见.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.